In the business report, Supreme Ventures Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025, reports 9 months net profit attributable to shareholders of $555.05 million. Dollar Financial Services Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025, reports 28% increase in 9 months net profit. And Lasco Financial Services Limited's unaudited financials for the 6 months ended September 30, 2025, reports 866% jump in 6 months net profit. Grace Kennedy and several major companies are moving quickly to support staff and communities hit hard by Hurricane Melissa. Grace Kennedy says hundreds of its workers in St. Elizabeth, St. James, Trelawney, and Westmoreland were affected, and efforts are underway to restore full operations. Jamaica Broilers has also launched relief initiatives across Western Jamaica, partnering with groups like Samaritan's Purse to assist families. Its Best Dressed Chicken division is supplying free chicken to help prepare hot meals, while staff are donating food, water, bedding, and other essentials. Victoria Mutual Building Society is offering up to a 6-month loan moratorium for members whose homes or livelihoods were damaged. VM says each request will be assessed individually to determine the level of support needed. Time now for a report on the movements in the financial market with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending November 7, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 5,956,040 units, representing 28.87% of market sales volume. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,804,764 units, representing 28.14% of market sales volume. Wigton Energy Limited with 1,710,865 units, representing 8.29% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 7, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $74.48 million purchased and US $64.7 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.08 per dollar, selling the US at $159.98 and buying the US at $161.06. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.55 per transaction, with selling at $115.62 and buying at $112.07. The British pound yielded Forex traders $9.21 in profit, with selling at $204.56 and buying at $213.77. For our credit report tip of the day, whether it's a hurricane, unexpected medical bills, or a sudden financial setback, understanding your credit report is the first step to regaining control. It's not just a number, it's a guide to what you owe, what you can access, and how quickly you can rebuild. In our funded and focused feature, we're looking at building out your financial life. And that's why a credit readiness snapshot is a game changer. It's your first step to clarity, confidence, and control. Here's what it does. You check your credit health to understand where you stand today. You identify areas to improve. You pinpoint what's holding you back. You take actionable next steps. You get practical guidance to strengthen your credit. You get funding readiness plan so you can learn how to position yourself for loans, grants, and investment. And then you get knowledge and empowerment. You build confidence in financial decision making. With that said, Imagine walking into a funding meeting knowing exactly what your credit says about you and how it can work in your favor. That's power, that's focus, that's funding. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. See you soon.